Web scraping versus web crawling. Do you want to know what's the difference? Watch this video till the end to find out. Let's start with web crawling. Web crawling involves automatically browsing the web based on a specific query, clicking on every link, and checking what information is mentioned on web pages. This process helps index websites and understand how each page is related to other sites. Web crawling tools, also known as spiders, help gather the data automatically. So, when might you need web crawling? Here are some examples. First, search engine indexing. Search engines like Google use web crawlers to index websites and ensure they show up in search results under relevant queries. Because of web crawling, when you look up the White House, you don't get images of regular White Houses. Second, SEO audits. You can crawl your own website and look for outdated information or broken links. Then, use that information to fix them. Another example, content aggregation. News aggregators use crawling to gather articles from various websites and display them in one place. Now, what about web scraping? Web scraping is an automated way to extract specific information from websites. You can customize the scraping process to gather only the data you need, like product prices or images. Here are some examples how to use web scraping. Price monitoring. Scrape competitor websites to keep an eye on prices and adjust your own pricing strategies. Brand management. Gather customer reviews and brand mentions, look for copyright infringement, and use the information to improve your online presence. Building AI models. Extract high-quality data at scale to train large language models or predictive forecasting. In short, the main difference between web crawling and web scraping is what you're trying to achieve. Web crawling aims to find all the websites with specific information and extract the links of these websites, while web scraping gathers particular data from specific pages. Simply put, crawling is like casting a wide net to gather everything, while scraping is like picking out only what you need from that collection. Both sound pretty useful, right? Actually, sometimes you might use web crawling and scraping together. If you want to scrape data from more than one page, you'll have to navigate through the website's URLs. To do so, you'll need to outfit your scraper with crawling logic. But if you need the data from only a single web page, scrapers like our scraping APIs will suffice. With our tools, simply choose your target, enter a query, and get data delivered in a way that suits you. You can also schedule scraping sessions and get the freshest details automatically. Learn more with the links in the video description. Have you watched the video this far? Let us know in the comments what else you'd like to learn about web scraping or web crawling. Check out this video next, and I'll see you another time.